let y'all listen to it. Hopefully you can hear a little something, you know. Got that little hesitation away. Now when I hit that gas shit, I'm rolling. Gotta worry about none of that other shit. Easing on the gas pedal and all that shit. The weather ain't bad up here in the mid today. I ain't really big on horsepower, but shit, I just like that nice, clean, good sound, good run. And I ain't really too far in the car yet as far as like, you know, really, you know, swapping or nothing like that. I want to get this shit, you know, top notch, you know what I'm saying? And then kind of go from there. You know, I got might carb it out. Got the intake in the carb already. You know, I might go Elderbrock. Some people say go Holly, but I don't know. It's kind of just taking my time with it. I don't know if y'all can see. Red light. Green light, man. I'm gonna pull off. Running good though. Sounding good.